Want to save your Canva design directly to your phone's gallery? In this video, I'll show you how to do it on both iPhone and Android. Let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your device. Now go to your projects or check your recent designs to find the design you want to save. Tap on the design to open it. Once your project is open, look at the top right corner and tap on the download icon. A menu will appear asking you to choose the file type. By default, it might be set to PDF, but if you want to save it to your gallery, you need to select an image format. So tap on the file type and choose PNG or JPG. After selecting your format, tap on Download. Once the file is ready, you'll see an option like Save Image. Tap on it. That's it. Your design will now be saved directly to your camera roll or gallery. You can open your Photos or Gallery app to find your saved design. And that's how you can quickly save your Canva designs as images on your phone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials on our channel.